Here I have Realme 9i, and today I'm going to show you how to switch on or off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the advanced settings, and here you have flip selfie. So when you have this feature enabled, like the photo you take with front camera will be mirrored, and when you have it turned off, it will be normal, as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.